The moonlight's illumination makes it easier to see how pathetic you are. Come now, you mustn't stop trying. You have managed to pique my interest, so I'll fight you with your own specialty. Open.
What's he holding? Flames? I thought Sukuna's technique was severing and slicing.
You're not familiar with this one? I thought it was well known. But I suppose a cursed spirit like you wouldn't know about it. Don't worry, I won't do anything petty like revealing my technique. Arm yourself.